10 consequences of neglecting your septic tank treatment. Septic tanks are essential for managing household waste, yet many homeowners overlook their maintenance. Ignoring regular treatment can lead to a host of issues, some costly and others harmful to your home and health. Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Here are 10 consequences of neglecting your septic tank. 1. Sewage backup. When the tank is full, wastewater can back up into your home, causing overflowing toilets, drains, and sinks. This leads to unsanitary conditions. 2. Bad odors. A neglected septic tank emits foul smells around your home and yard, signaling a serious issue within the system. 3. Water contamination. If untreated, waste can leak into groundwater, contaminating drinking or irrigation water sources, creating health hazards. 4. Slow drains. Full septic tanks cause sinks, tubs, and showers to drain slowly, often a sign of impending blockages or backups. 5. Costly repairs. Waiting too long to address septic issues can result in expensive repairs or even the need to replace the entire system. 6. Environmental damage. Untreated sewage can leak into local waterways, harming wildlife and ecosystems. 7. Yard damage. Pools of wastewater may form in your yard, creating unsightly and unhealthy areas. 8. Noisy pipes. Gurgling sounds in drains and toilets signal an overfilled septic tank under strain. 9. Lower property value. A neglected septic system can reduce your home's value, making it less appealing to potential buyers. 10. Health hazards. Untreated sewage can spread bacteria and viruses, leading to illness. Regular septic tank maintenance is essential to avoid these problems and protect your home and health. Worried about your septic tank? Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year by using Septifix? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching.